And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, the mother of the person of interest in the death of 9-year-old Kelsey Ferrigon says she is relieved that her son was killed by the police in Clarendon.
The woman who identified his lifeless body on Monday says now she can properly mourn, not for the child she birthed, but the one whom she had grown to love over the years.
Jamaica Maitland has more.
When Lurleen Williams went to identify her deceased son, 30-year-old Glovanni Ellis, at the Spanish Town Hospital in St. Catherine on Monday, she said she felt guilty for not feeling anything more than hatred for him.
Well, me da expect that when me look upon him, me da go feel sad, feel breakdown like a little, but no. When me look upon him, and say, this is the way you want to go, eh? For a young youth, we are 30-year-old.
Her heart hardened by the nature of the crime he was accused of. Ms. Williams, who declined to speak on camera, says she is relieved he's dead.
Me can't have no hard fear because of where do the little baby.
Glovanni Ellis was killed by the police in Sandy Bay, Clarendon, sometime after 11 a.m. on Monday. He was the main person of interest in the death of 9-year-old Kelsey Ferrigon, whose body was found in a barrel at her Job Lane home in St. Catherine.
The person of interest in Kelsey's murder was fatally shot in the Palmetto district of Sandy Bay in Clarendon earlier today. Ellis reportedly pointed a pistol at the St. Catherine North team, and the weapon was subsequently seized after police took evasive action.
On Sunday, an angry mob of residents swarmed the family's home after it was rumored that Ellis might have been hiding there. But Miss Williams, who's been a staunch critic of her son's lifestyle, says they were estranged.
I am not one of the mothers who keep up with slackness and foolishness. Me not back no picnic. We do them wrongs. Now because me when you come in the world, anything you do, people will come kill me for you. Me not give up my life for nobody. Me not Jesus. So me not see why people are come criticize and kill me and slaughter me for dead for him.
She explained feeling defeated and powerless, trying to protect her grandchildren who were with her when the baton and machete-wielding residents stormed her home.
And all of them running with long machete and big iron and all sort of something with a two little baby them in the house. Tell me what kind of people them have heart?
Still, she imagines how frightened little Kelsey must have felt when she was being assaulted. As it relates to what happens now, she says she's not sure of anything. But she knows for certain she no longer feels responsible for the person whom she described as her troubled son.
I'm not responsible to bury him. No. I don't tell the police them already. If I identify the body, I'm not response for it. When a business owner want to do with him.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.